Hello and welcome to CoinGape TV, the ultimate destination for your crypto curiosity. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey into the realm of Ethereum. For those new here, Ethereum is more than just digital money. It's a groundbreaking blockchain technology revolutionizing the digital world. And guess what? You can earn it for free. Whether you're a crypto veteran or just starting, this guide is your treasure map to accumulating Ethereum without spending a penny. So, grab your digital shovels, and let's dig in. Ethereum. A brief overview. Before we jump into earning methods, let's take a quick look at Ethereum. Ethereum, often symbolized as ETH, is not just a digital currency. It's a platform for creating decentralized applications. Its versatility and innovative contract feature have positioned it right behind Bitcoin in the crypto race. Understanding Ethereum's value and potential is key to appreciating the methods we're about to explore. Method 1. Sign-up bonuses. Let's start with sign-up bonuses. It's like a welcome gift in the world of crypto. Many platforms incentivize new users with free Ethereum just for joining. Method 2. Ethereum staking. Moving on to Ethereum staking. This method is perfect for those who already hold some ETH. Staking means locking up your Ethereum to support the network and, in return, earning rewards. It's like earning interest on your crypto savings. Method 3. Ethereum trading. Next up, Ethereum trading. This method is a bit more advanced and suits those familiar with market trends. Trading involves buying Ethereum at a low price and selling at a higher price. But remember, it comes with its share of risks. Method 4. Referrals. One of the simplest yet effective methods is through referrals. Share your passion for crypto with friends and earn Ethereum as they join the platform. It's a win-win. Method 5. Claiming airdrops. This is like finding free treasure in the world of crypto. Companies often distribute free tokens to promote their projects. Participating in these airdrops can be rewarding. Conclusion. And that, dear viewers, wraps up our comprehensive guide to earning free Ethereum. From sign-up bonuses to airdrops, these methods are your keys to unlocking the potential of Ethereum without spending your hard-earned cash. Remember, the world of crypto is vast and constantly evolving. Stay informed, stay cautious, and most importantly, have fun as you embark on your Ethereum earning journey with CoinGape TV. Thank you for tuning in to CoinGape TV. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful crypto content. Visit CoinGape.com for in-depth articles, news, and updates. Keep earning, keep learning, and see you in the next video. Explore more about the crypto universe with our curated video selections here. Remember, your journey in the digital currency world is just a click away.